Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat. Please get ready for the practice of Yoga Nidra. Lie down in the posture of Shavasana, the body stretched out, feet apart, the palms of the hands turned upwards, arms beside the body, eyes closed. Make all the necessary adjustments so that you are as comfortable as possible. There must be no movement, neither conscious nor unconscious. Remember that you are about to practice Yoga Nidra, the psychic sleep. You only have to maintain awareness of hearing and feeling. The body relaxes, but the mind remains awake. Relax the whole body completely. Say to yourself mentally, I will not sleep. I will remain awake throughout the practice of Yoga Nidra. Take a deep breath, and as you breathe in, feel coolness and calmness spreading throughout the body. As you breathe out, feel the cares and worries flowing out of the body, flowing out of the mind. And you are able to experience state of tension-free mind. You are able to feel the harmony between body and mind. Become aware of the body and relax yourself completely. Feel that the legs are relaxed, the trunk, the head, the arms and hands. Develop the awareness of the physical body right from top of the head to the tip of the toes, and mentally say to yourself, Om. Complete awareness of the whole body. Mentally say to yourself again, Om, and again, Om. Relax yourself mentally. Relax yourself physically. Relax yourself by breathing normally and observing the breath as it moves between the navel and the throat. Awareness of the natural breath. Do not force, do not change, do not alter the rhythm of your breathing. Awareness of the navel-throat breathing, and feel yourself becoming more relaxed, more than before. You are going to practice Yoga Nidra. Remember that you are going to practice Yoga Nidra. During the practice of Yoga Nidra, you are not to move the body, you are not to open the eyes, you are to deepen your concentration, you are to deepen your visualization, you are to deepen the experience which is being invoked during the practice of Yoga Nidra. Quickly become aware of the external environment. Become aware of the sounds around you. Your ears are like the microphones of the tape recorder, which, when on, can pick up all sounds within their range. Move your mind from sound to sound. Just listen to the sounds. After you have listened to a sound, become aware of the next sound. Do not have to try to identify the source of the sound, only have to hear the sound. Complete awareness of the external environment by listening to the sounds around you. Listen to the farthest sound first. Extend your mind, extend your awareness maximum. Become aware of the furthest sound. Become aware of the closest sound. The closest sound is not the sound which you can hear inside the room, but the sound of your own breath, the sound of your own heart, the sound of your own blood flowing through the arteries and veins. Deepen the perception of sounds in the body. Try to listen to the sound of your breath. Become aware of the sound of breathing by focusing the attention on the process of natural breath. Feel the expansion of the whole body as you breathe in and relaxation of the whole body as you breathe out. Experience the expansion of body as you breathe in and total relaxation of the body as you breathe out. With each inhalation, the body expands more and more and more. With each exhalation, the body relaxes more and more and more. Observe the sound of breathing. Experience the sound of breath, and at the same time experience the expansion of the whole body as you breathe in. The body expands just like a balloon filled with air. The more air goes into the balloon expands. Similarly, feel the expansion of the body, but breathe normally. Experience the expansion of body with inhalation and relaxation of the body with exhalation. Now is the time to make your sankalpa. The practice of Yoga Nidra begins. Repeat your sankalpa, the resolution, 3 times. Remember to be consistent. Do not change the sankalpa. Do not change the sentence, the phrase, the intensity, the faith in the sankalpa. Repeat the resolve with feeling and awareness, and be sure and certain that your sankalpa will come true if there is feeling, simplicity, faith, and awareness associated with the sankalpa. Now we are going to rotate the consciousness through the different parts of the body. The consciousness should move around the body parts and it should keep on moving. As it moves, it changes into prana, the vital energy, in the form of a current of energy. Do not concentrate on any one part, but allow your mind to move freely from one part to the next. Right hand thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, four fingers and thumb together, palm, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, side, waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf muscle, shin, ankle, heel, sole, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, 5 toes together, the whole right side, the whole right side, the whole right side. Awareness of the whole right side of the body. Now bring your attention to the left side. Left hand thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, four fingers and thumb together, palm, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, side, waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf muscle, shin, ankle, heel, sole, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, 5 toes together. The whole left side, the whole left side, the whole left side. Now bring your awareness to the back, right buttock, left buttock, right lower back, left lower back, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, the whole of right back, the whole of left back, the spinal cord, the neck, back of the head, top of the head, the whole back, the whole back, the whole back. The front, crown of the head, forehead, right temple, left temple, right ear, left ear, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, the eyebrow center, right eye, left eye, bridge of the nose, right nostril, left nostril, tip of the nose, right cheek, left cheek, upper lip, lower lip, teeth, tongue, upper palate, lower palate, chin, throat, right collarbone, left collarbone, right chest, left chest, center of the chest, upper abdomen, right abdomen, left abdomen, lower abdomen, the navel, the whole trunk, the whole trunk, the whole trunk. The whole front of the body. In one glimpse, try to visualize the whole frontal side of the body. In one glimpse, visualize the whole back, the whole of right side, the whole of left side. Visualize the whole body from top of the head right down to the toes. Complete awareness of the whole body, the whole body, the whole body. Now you have to awaken the feeling of cold in the whole body. You have to awaken the feeling of cold in the whole body. Concentrate on your spinal cord and develop the feeling of cold and shivering. The cold which develops gradually and becomes intense, leading to gentle shivering of the body. Become aware of the breath in the left nostril. Observe the breath in the left nostril and develop the feeling of cold in the body. Every breath you breathe in makes the body cooler and cooler. Concentrate on the left nostril. Feel the breath in the left nostril, and with every breath that you take into the body, experience the cold. Concentrate on the Vishuddhi Chakra in the neck. Vishuddhi Chakra is the seat of the experience of cold. Concentrate on Vishuddhi. Intensify the awareness and experience the cold enveloping the whole body. Experience the cold in the right arm, in the left arm, in the right leg, in the left leg, in the back, in the trunk. Experience the cold sensation in the head. With each breath in, feel the body becoming cooler, experiencing the coolness of the body. Experiencing the coolness, the body becoming cold, cooler and cooler. Now, concentrate on creating heat around the body. Develop the manifestation of heat in the body. Become aware of an atmosphere of heat throughout the body, from head to toes. The heat permeating the whole body. Observe the breath in the right nostril, and with each inhaled breath, develop the feeling of heat in the whole body from head to toe. Develop the feeling of heat in the body from head to toe. by concentrating on the breath in the right nostril. With each inhaled breath, increase the feeling, intensify the feeling of heat in the body. Become aware of the feeling of heat, the heat sensation in the body by concentrating and focusing the attention on Manipur chakra in the navel area. From this center, you can produce heat and distribute it throughout the body. Focus on the generation of heat in Manipur chakra, the navel center, and in the right nostril. The body relaxing, the body experiencing heat. Become aware of the heat you have created in the body and around the body. Become aware of the heat which you have created in the body and around the body. Now develop the feeling of heaviness in the body. Awaken the feeling of heaviness in the body. Each part of the body becoming heavier and heavier. The right leg, develop the sensation of heaviness in the right leg. Observe the right leg getting heavier and heavier and heavier. Become aware of the left leg. Develop the sensation of heaviness in the left leg. Develop the feeling of heaviness in the right arm. Experience heaviness in each and every part and pore of the right arm. Develop the feeling of heaviness in the left arm. The trunk and the head getting heavy. The whole body is becoming heavy. And as it becomes heavy, you will have the sensation of the body sinking into the floor due to heaviness. Intensify and develop the feeling of physical heaviness. Intensify and develop the feeling of body merging into the floor. Now develop the sensation of lightness in the body. Experience lightness in the body, the right leg becoming light, the left leg becoming light, the right arm becoming light, the left arm becoming light, the trunk and the head becoming light, light like a feather, light like a feather. Experience lightness of body, and as you deepen the experience of lightness, the physical lightness, you will feel that your body begins to float in air. Absolute lightness. Experience total and absolute lightness of the body. Now we are going to visualize the psychic symbols. We are going to visualize the psychic symbols. Discover the psychic centers. Become aware of the psychic centers or chakras. Do not sleep. Check yourself. Are you awake or are you sleeping? Say to yourself mentally, I am not sleeping. I am practicing Yoga Nidra. Mentally speak after me and feel the position of the chakras as if you were touching them with a small flower. Muladhar, in the perineum. Visualize the chakras in the physical body, starting from the bottom and progressing upwards. First is the Muladhar chakra, situated in the perineum in men, between the anus and the genitals, and in woman at the cervix. Concentrate on the Muladhar psychic center. The second chakra is Swadhisthana and is located at the base of the spinal cord in the coccyx. Concentrate on Swadhisthana. The third center, the third chakra is Manipur, located in the spinal cord on the level of the navel. Concentrate on Manipur. Concentrate on Manipur. The fourth center is Anahat chakra, situated in the spinal cord directly behind the heart and the sternum. Vishuddhi chakra is the fifth psychic center and is located in the neck. Concentrate on Vishuddhi. Agya chakra is the sixth psychic center situated behind the brain at the top of the spinal cord in the same place as the pineal gland. Concentrate and focus your attention on Agya chakra by breathing back and forth in a straight line from the eyebrow center. Bindu chakra is the seventh center and is located at the top and back of the head, where the Hindus have a small tuft of hair. Where the Hindus wear a small tuft of hair. Concentrate on Bindu. And the last, the eighth chakra is the Sahasrara chakra situated at the crown of the head. Concentrate on Sahasrara chakra. Now, as each chakra is named, repeat it mentally and imagine touching the physical point of the chakra with a flower. Visualize touching the physical point of the chakra with a flower. Muladhar in the perineum, Swadhisthana in the spinal terminus, Manipur behind the navel, Anahat behind the heart, Vishuddhi at the neck, Agya behind the eyebrow center, Bindu top back of the head, Sahasrar crown of the head. Once again, bring the attention back down to Muladhar. Muladhar, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anahat, Vishuddhi, Agya, Bindu, Sahasrar, Sahasrar, Bindu, Agya, Vishuddhi, Anahat, Manipur, Swadhisthana, Muladhar. Now concentrate on the symbols of the psychic centers. Develop definite images as they are named. Muladhar, inverted red triangle. Muladhar, inverted red triangle. Swadhisthana, ocean at night. Swadhisthana, ocean at night. Manipur, bright yellow sunflower. Manipur, bright yellow sunflower. Anahat, solitary flame of light, Jyoti. Solitary yellow flame of light. Vishuddhi, drops of rain. Vishuddhi, raindrops. Agya, luminosity. Agya, luminosity. Bindu, crescent moon. Bindu, crescent moon. Sahasrara, raging fire. Sahasrar, raging fire. Now, you are going to travel into your past. In the same way you have traveled from the past to the present, retracing the steps of your memory and consciousness backwards from this time. The past is part of time and time is part of the mind. Normally you walk forward in time. In the practice of Yoga Nidra, you walk backwards in time. By remembering the past, you are going into the deeper recesses of your consciousness. Do not sleep. Remember what happened from the present time to the time you got up this morning. Go back in time to the time you woke up in the morning. Then again come back to present and know what you are doing at present. Right now you are practicing Yoga Nidra. I will take you back in time as if you were watching a film running in reverse. Remember back to the start of Yoga Nidra practice. Remember the start of Yoga Nidra practice. Recall what you were doing in the half hour before that. Try to recall what you were doing half an hour before the practice of Yoga Nidra. Remember the important actions, attitudes, and feelings in that time. Go back half an hour more. What were you doing then? Try to remember the important activity and feeling, attitude, and behavior at that particular moment, which was expressing itself in your life. Go back another half an hour. Go back another half an hour. With full awareness, visualize and recall what you were doing, thinking and feeling. Go back another half an hour. Go back to the time when you just woke up in the morning. Go back to the time when you woke up early in the morning and bring your mind back to the present. Bring your awareness back to the present. Make sure you are not sleeping. Do not sleep. Do not sleep. Become aware of the environment around you. Repeat your sankalpa. Repeat your sankalpa 3 times with awareness and faith. The same sankalpa which you made at the beginning of the Yoga Nidra practice. Repeat it 3 times without changing anything. Now become aware of the breath, the natural breath. Observe the inhalation and the exhalation. Each inhalation and each exhalation is observed. Feel the movement of the body at the time of inhalation and exhalation. Experience the movement of the body at the time of inhalation and exhalation. Externalize the mind. Become aware of the immediate environment. Visualize the room where you are practicing Yoga Nidra. Do not open the eyes. Mentally visualize the room where the body is lying in Shavasana and practicing Yoga Nidra. Become aware of the different objects in the room, the placement of different objects in the room, the colors of the objects in the room, as if the mind has taken a picture of the room and you are looking at that picture. Try to invoke the smallest detail. Be observant, mentally, internally. Do not open the eyes, but try to see the room where you are as if you are looking around the room with eyes open. Invoke the memory of the vision. Invoke the memory of the vision of the room which is stored inside you. Externalize the mind. Gradually move the toes, gently move the toes, move the feet, the legs, the fingers, the hands, the arms. Do not be in a hurry. Very slowly, very gently, stretch the whole body. Do not open your eyes. Become aware of the body. Become aware of the existence and the experience of the physical body. Stretch the whole body completely. And then, when you are ready, gently sit up, keeping the eyes closed. And when you are fully seated, and when the mind is totally externalized, then rub the hands, rub the palms against each other, and slowly place the palms on top of the closed eyes. Feel the heat from the palms touching the eyelids. Feel the gradual warmth of the prana shakti flowing from hands to the eyes. Then slowly remove the hands, open your eyes. Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat. The practice of Yoga Nidra is over.